and tired, but because they were gritty to defeat each other, they remained the same exploit. Until such time, Tata Parsho made an end to his chanting. He got tired that the sick asthma suffocated him. It was already morning. The sun was about to ascend, so Elcano and his accompanying person took the coffin as quickly as possible. It is because Tata Parsho told them what would happen if they weren't able to chase his domination. They were all in great fortitude to do something with a couple before it's too late. They are trying to save the place against curse. Almost immediately, Elcano and his companion come into view.
Daw niya si Ma'am. Daw si Ma'am. Gusto na ako. Oh no. Ano nakikita sa akin? Bro, bato mo yun.
Antonio feels safe inside the coffin, for he discerned and perceived that Elena's great fear with caskets. He was laughing inside. Their neighbors was astounded with apprehension, pitying the couple of this miserable death. Lolita offered snaffle for a sponge steak. Soon they made haste to put Elena inside the coffin, but she was too afraid. As she was about to be laid inside the casket, she flared up and contradicted their action.
Buruhay.
The triumph of the shots with overflowing joy. This was one of the stories that brings the Filipinos to the basis why women do the domestic chores. In reality, in the age, women want to be equal with those of a man. Let us all bear in mind that one man to always rule the house. We are the triumph of a man. Where the wife serves as the life. In our community today, we all
The Dishwasher. Let us walk
to Ian Joseph Velasco.
Smile!
Certificate of participation is awarded to Precious Angeline and Sila. Precious. We now proceed to the awarding of the winners for the category A. First up, Best in Props. The presenters are Dr. Erlinda De Lustrino and Professor Charles Bolivar. The best in props is sound. Wala. Again, I will repeat. The best in props is this Saigon. And the representative, the props director, probably